Hey everyone, good morning. It's Steph here. I'm the Secret Slob. I'm so glad you're here with me to do another plan with me. It's upside down. There we go, right side up. Make sure you head down to the description and download your free weekly cleaning schedule. It's totally blank. I want you to fill it out. Make it all your own. We're heading into Christmas, so things are getting a little bit crazy, or if you're in lockdown like me, things are just slowing down more and more and more. We aren't seeing anyone. My husband does still go to work, but I'm mostly just staying home, so it's given me a little bit of time to take on some extra projects that I've wanted to do, like doing my capsule wardrobe. If you want to see what I'm doing there, head over to Instagram. I've been kind of sharing the process, but I'm making a video for YouTube as well. You know, this is one of my big goals for this year. And I'm also thinking about doing a huge kind of clean and organize of my house. So if anybody else wants to join me in doing that, let me know. I'll start filming it. And usually if someone says they want to see something, then it motivates me, kind of lights a fire under me, gets me going as well. You guys are my accountability as much as this channel is yours. But for now, let's just focus on what we have to do this week, all of our routines, zone cleaning, all the things we want to remember every day, and just all the stuff that keeps us going through the week. All right, so grab your favorite pen. I bought new pens this week because mine were all destroyed by my children, so I've got new pens. I'm so excited, and let's get started. So I like to start with my routines every week. They are pretty much the same depending on how much energy I have. And if I stick to these routines, I feel like my whole day is able to kind of have a little bit of structure and keep going. I find this extra important during lockdown, and I don't even know what else is comparable to this, but it's really helping me in this time. So difficult times, I guess. So in the morning, I get up, I make the bed. I'm also trying to get my kids to make their own beds. This is new for me to get them involved, but I think it's really important. I get dressed to shoes every day. Even though I'm not leaving the house, it makes a huge difference in my mental attitude and feeling like I'm ready to go. I start a load of laundry. One load of laundry every day keeps that big pile away. Unload the dishwasher. I give a swish to one bathroom, and recently I started using baby wipes, which is a hack. And then I try to get outside with my kids every single day. In the afternoon, usually when they're napping, well, when one of them's napping, I do a power tidy, clean up all the toys, all the stuff just once through my house. I do a quick floor check, just do my vacuum, get all the stuff off the floor. I have a little baby and he's always crawling around. Then I put the laundry away. It's just a small load and I don't even fold it. If you want to hear more about that, I'll link to a laundry video below. I start the dishwasher every night, and then I usually do a prep for tomorrow, but because I'm really not doing anything, there's no point in having that on the list. I have so little going on, so I'm going to put self-care and aim to do something self-care every single day this week. The last part of my nightly routine is to shine up my sink if I remember, and then I sit down and relax. So over in zone cleaning, we are in zone 1 this week. Well, I'm in zone 1. If you do zone looping like me, you might be anywhere else. So write down the zone you're in, but I'm in zone 1, which is my dining room and entryway. But like I said, I'm going to start doing this kind of top to bottom whole house cleaning project that I've been thinking about. And while normally my house stays pretty good with my regular zone cleaning and stuff, it's sometimes nice to just go through it all in one big go. And hey, I've got the time, so I'm going to get my house cleaned for the new year, start really fresh January 1st. I keep my daily focuses pretty much the same. On Monday, I do my weekly home blessing, or I do my best to get it done. If I don't finish everything, I finish it through the week. On Tuesday, I'm going to mail all of my gifts because we're not going to see my parents. We're not going to do anything. I have to mail all their presents and then pay bills. So I'm going to really try and get that done Monday, but put it down for Tuesday. It has to get done. On Wednesday, I need to get our car insurance renewed. It's coming up, and I just want to get that off my plate. Thursday, I call it errands day, but I'm not doing errands. I'm not really leaving the house, so I'm just doing all week self-care day. I put that up in my routines, but it's just a little reminder to myself to do something nice for myself every single day this week. Friday, car and bag. I cleaned out my car last week. My purse is fine. We're not really going anywhere, so I'm just going to focus on my zone project, and same as on the weekend, I'll just focus on my zone project. We just don't have any plans. My only 2 reminders this week are to wrap up all my gifts. I got all my shopping done, and then check my list, make sure I didn't miss anyone. So then Christmas is pretty much ready. It's going to be pretty simple this year. On our menu for my meal planning, I don't assign certain days for things. I just write down 7 really good ideas for things I have and that I can make. And if I change my mind, no big deal, but at least I have these to fall back on. And I find having this as a guide really helpful. So I'm going to put beef tacos on there because I have ground beef in the fridge, and I'm also going to put fish tacos because you really just can't have enough tacos, and if I space them out on either end of the week, it'll be okay. I have a roast beef I'm going to cook and probably make a nice big dinner out of that. We have a really nice salmon that someone gave us, so I have salmon and salad, and then I have some frozen soup in the fridge. I honestly don't even know what kind it is, but it's got to come out, well, it's in the freezer. And then pizza and salad. I made pizza last week. And as always, if we don't have any leftovers, we order takeout. So there's my weekly plan for the week. It's pretty basic. I'm not going anywhere, but I'm going to get a couple projects done, and I hope you have a wonderful week. Talk to you soon. Bye.